mine. See you for the neck, tryna double my fun. So what's up? In the corner, with a husband, and they head long. I'ma grab it. She call me daddy, but I'm a bastard. Like I ain't tryna don't look so surprised. I know you ain't heard that before. Touching in the club and I just found one. Pick up line, I just dropped mine. See you for the neck, tryna double my fun. So what's up? In the corner, with a husband, and they head long. I'ma grab it. She call me daddy, but I'm a bastard. Like I ain't tryna be hustling character, tryna take care of you, support your bad habits. I just wanna smash it, cash it, show you where the cash is. Cash it, but first let me see you. Yeah.
Dobro smo putu, Igore, zasad.
A?
Smo zasad na dobrom putu.
Prošao sam ovdje 2-3 puta, ovdje sam prolazio na ovaj posao. Ej, vidi street, pola lude kuće ovdje. Mad house, a? Plenty people.
Oh yes. Market.
Market, eh? Tuesday, big market.
Oh,
Tuesday,
yeah.
Friday, huh?
Yeah.
We are not far away from local market where is my meat, huh?
Huh?
We are not far yet, I think.
No, it's not too far.
No. I need 20 minutes to buy meat.
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I am quick.
Just meat to buy and come back.
Mud, yes, and some tomatoes, fresh, that's all. We come back.
Okay.
Hoćemo ovo pomidor, sretno ovdje usput.
A imaš vamo iz produktu, ona ti je isto pazarina.
Ma šta, ovo je...
Ma što je uzeti, idu gardule.
Onda we just take meat, huh? Quick. 20 minutes we go.
No problem.
But first ima change money, huh?
A bit će za pivu, a?
$400. Can I give you 4?
That's pepper how people explore Africa. Look how people live down here.
I'm telling you.
I'm not like that. I'm not like that, believe me.
A lot of minerals are going and the country is like this.
You cannot go import the other way, huh?
You hear, yeah?
Container terminal.
Container
It's
terminal?
fast for you. I mean, it's going to port. I mean.
Oh, I'm trying to look another way.
But you must know. I'll ask you. That is for me. I like this kind of market. Why? Because I know I can't get full people.
Oh, okay.
That's what I like. I don't like this market, this Lebanon's.
Lebanon, okay. This supermarket you went to?
Yes.
It's the Indian.
Lebanon.
No,
Indian, yes.
no, it's Indian, yeah.
India, eh?
Yes, Indian.
I don't like them, believe me, I don't know why. Because I work India for $1 a day, even $12 a day.
India?
Yes. The open market come and reach you in the small time.
Yeah.
Blacked out jeans, white walls spinning. Looking for the hemp, neck bone, got a green corn, rare eating women. New country ass, certified gangsters in the south. When you think about who's hottest, watch your motherfucking mouth.
Hey, yeah.
Right?
Mitä huole on?
Oni će djava, cijena. Drugo šta manje prometimo ovdje, a?
Ne.
Reći ovaj drugi put, kad bude išao da da ovi $50 za pivo. Drugi mjesec. Zadnji mjesec šta se učio.
Okay. So you're going down to the port now?
A to već nema kontača, a došao izdoma da se da, ma daj, se lako. Doma ostao lovu, ne tira sa banke, to veže lovu, razumiješ?
Ma ne kide kraja.
Ajde, ja to ne volim.
To stimanska posla.
Brzo sam bio obavilo ovo sad,
Da, brzo.
Tipa, tamo na ručak.